Hello, welcome back to my project. This is Eric. Let me open the Flutter app I made for this project on my iPhone. I can see there are lots of emojis. I will choose one that I like. I got a bitmap image of a black and white. Next, I will search for mini Epaper around me. Mini Epaper and mini Epaper 2 are currently found. I will connect mini Epaper and press the send button. The bitmap image file created by the app is being uploaded to mini Epaper. It's slow because the file is transferred using Bluetooth LE. Definitely BLE is not suitable for file transmission, but it can be very useful when exchanging data with hardware on iOS and Android, so I use it mainly. The size of the data can be transmitted and once in BLE is 20 bytes. MTU size can be increased, but I'm sticking to the original size of 20 bytes because problems can occur depending on the device if we change it. It takes about a minute to transfer about 18 kilobytes of the file from iPhone to ESP32. It doesn't take a second using Wi-Fi, but I like to send it directly through BLE without any hassle. Almost done. Let's waiting for the end of the file transmission. When the transmission is over, draw the image currently received on mini Epaper. The alien emoji that I choose came out, so cute. Since it's an Epaper display, keeping this screen even without power. Expressing images in black and white is not the best for these days. If you use IPS panel, you can see the same emoji you see on your iPhone. But I think I can do many fun projects because Epaper has its own charm. Like we can make something retro style with this. In this video, I will show you how I designed this project. The link to the source code of this project can be found in the description below. Let's get started. This project consists of two parts. In the Flutter app, you can select an emoji, change the bitmap, and send the file through BLE. Mini Epaper uses the ESP32 picoboard, so BLE can also be used. It becomes a BLE prefer and waits for connection. In the app, the BLE works as a central device, allowing it to search and connect BLE devices around you. Let's find out the file transfer through BLE. The app sends data with the ranks of the 0 to notify the start or end of the transmission. If it sends data with the data ranks of the 0 for the first time, SPIFFS prepares to write the file. Now the app sends the created bitmap image sequentially by 20 bytes. ESP32 stores the transmitted byte array in order to the file. When sending is done, send data with the ranks of the 0 again to inform them it's the end of the transmission. Then ESP32 closes the file and updates the screen with this file. This is all. I will show you how it actually works. On the left, you can see the console of mini Epaper core with Arduino IDE. On the right, it's connected to the iPad on Android Studio so you can check both consoles. Apps that connect to Bluetooth cannot be tested on emulator or simulator, so please develop them through an actual device. The build was successful for my iPad and came into the app. I will select the emoji I want in the app. It's nice to be able to see many emojis at once on a big screen. This time, I choose a star. I change it to bitmap by pressing the button. In Flutter, all images are changed to 32 bits only. Unfortunately, the bitmap supported by the Epaper display library GXEPD2 is up to 24 bits. So it was necessary to change the 32-bit bitmap to 24 bits. Please refer to my code for this part if you need more detail. In fact, a 1-bit image is enough for this project. This is because only white and black can be printed on the display. I'm using this part for other projects, but I will update it when I have chance. This is a 2 times faster video. You can see it being transmitted 20 bytes each. The last byte array with the ranks of the 0 was sent and the file it's writing was closed. Then it has redrawn the screen with this file. Even if the power is removed, it remains the same on the screen. In this project, it's able to draw an emoji on the Epaper screen from the mobile application for Android and iPhone through BLE. If we make it into a 1-bit instead of a 24-bit for bitmap in the app, the file size will be smaller, so we can update the screen of the ePaper much faster. I will update this part later. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next project.